We're going to experiment with death wobble a little bit here and show you what causes it. So there's a little bump there, it may not. Yep, it started there, but it's dampening down. There's a pothole. Oh, no, never mind, it didn't even dampen. Okay. Now I got to go below 20, around 20 miles an hour to get it to stop, a little above 20. And then it stops. So we're on Zion Road in Fayetteville, and there's these manhole covers that will create some death wobble. So I'll show you that here coming up in a second. You've got this one. I don't know if this one's enough to do it. Well, apparently it is. It dampened down. Then there's this other one here. If I keep tension on the steering, then it won't do it. I'll show you that. So we're going to drive over some of these same bumps we did a little minute ago, but I'm going to try and keep tension on the steering. Like here, I'm taking a little bit of a right-hand corner. Here, if I keep tension on the steering wheel, we'll go over these bumps. If I keep tension on the steering wheel, there's a pothole there. See, when I keep tension or turning one direction or the other, I can go over those bumps and I won't get death wobble. So to me, it indicates something in the suspension, maybe just a little bit loose or something. So if I'm keeping tension, then I don't get death wobble. We'll drive over these manhole covers again, and I'll attempt to keep some tension on it, like that one there. So I got tension on the steering over that bump. Now it's still shaking. There's this one more manhole cover, but so I still get a little shake on that one even when I keep tension. So, but it's weird, some of the bumps that it does it on and some of it doesn't. Those particular manhole covers that have got a significant bump and that pothole that we saw, those are the ones that tend to do it the most.